Stripes. They may not look good on everyone, but they sure do look good on a zebra. Even running through the Mohawk mane. Plain zebras have broad stripes running more vertically, but gradually curve, becoming more horizontal toward the rear. They run up to 35 miles per hour and sleep standing up. They live in large harems composed of one dominant stallion and his mares, but multiple harems will combine to form herds. Like many herbivores of the savanna, these herds follow the rain and will travel up to 200 miles on a trek for food. The Grevy zebra is much heftier than the plain zebra. But another distinguishing feature is their narrower stripes that peter out near the belly. Unlike plain zebras, Grevies aren't very cliquish. Loyalties are short-lived, and group composition can change hourly. The striping doesn't help them blend into the landscape at all, but it does help them blend in with each other, making it harder for pack hunters to identify and focus their efforts on a single animal.